Discover how to easily transfer your Steam games to Epic Games with this comprehensive guide. Open Steam and Epic Games. Open both Steam and Epic Games applications on your computer. Access Steam Library. Navigate to your Steam library and select the game you want to transfer. Locate game files. Right-click on the selected game, click on Properties, then Installed Files, and finally browse to locate the game files. Copy game files. Copy the game files from the Steam library to a location on your computer. Open Epic Games. Open the Epic Games launcher and navigate to your library. Install game on Epic Games. Find the game you want to transfer or a similar game in your Epic Games library. Click on Install and choose a folder location. Pause download. Pause the download after a small portion has been downloaded. Paste game files. Navigate to the folder where the Epic Games installation files are located. Paste the game files copied from Steam into this folder. Resume download. Resume the download in the Epic Games launcher. The launcher will recognize the existing files and complete the installation process. Completion. Once the download is complete, launch the game through Epic Games to ensure successful transfer. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transfer your Steam games to Epic Games and continue playing without interruption.